Oh yeah, and send a mic. I'm at the amazing Mont Saint-Jean. It's kind of like this forested bump between Dudelange and Kale. This is the site of the old Mont Saint-Jean Chateau, which dates from the 15th century. This is a very, very historic site. Down there is the old Mont Saint-Jean Chapel, which dates from the 13th century. And you can see these lines here. That's like the footprint of the original church, which was much bigger. Hey look, Luxembourg City. This is a really fun place to explore, and it's a great place to visit if you're thinking of going to the Verge Fest, which is the largest medieval fest in the Grand Region. So, do the fest, come up here for a visit. You're set. Eddie, ciao, tip top.